Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Sign in and open the blog dashboard for the site you'll change. Once there, navigate to Theme or Layout depending on your template. Theme if you'll use the header editor. Layout if the template exposes a header widget. Make sure your logo file is ready and sized, around 200-400 pixels wide in PNG or SVG for transparency. You'll upload immediately, so confirm file name and format to avoid re-exports or extra risk. Now upload and position the logo so it appears correctly. If you're in Theme, open Customize then Header. If in Layout, click Edit on the header gadget. Upload the logo file and select options like instead of title and description to replace text. Adjust the width, alignment, and whether the logo links home. Once done, preview across desktop and mobile views. Make sure proportions and margins look right, because tweaks here prevent overlap with navigation or content. Finish by saving your changes and previewing the live site on desktop and mobile. If the logo appears blurry, replace it with a higher resolution PNG or SVG and re-upload. This fixes scaling artifacts. If nothing updates, clear your browser cache or force reload the page. Caching often shows the old logo. If alignment is off, return to header/layout to tweak margins or width. Once everything looks right, publish and check links to ensure the logo returns visitors to your homepage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.